Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to fix DXGI error device removed. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on this search icon and type here REGEDEIT. So right click on registry editor, run as administrator. Guys, it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now here expand HK local machine, then system. Now here expand current control set, then expand control. Now here expand graphics driver. So double click on it, graphics drivers. Now right click anyway, new, and select DY32, type TDR level. So types this similar text T and L capital. Double click on it. Now make value data as 0, then click on OK. Now guys, close it and restart your PC. And after restart, again click on the search icon, type device manager, open device manager. Now expand in here display adapters, right click on adapter driver and click on update driver. Now select browse my computer and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now if you have any specific, so select that, or if you don't have, so select this Microsoft basic display adapter. Then click on next. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. So guys, this is the easy way to resolve DXGI error device remove problem in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.